the prokaryote. So cells can be of two types. They can be prokaryotic or they can be eukaryotic. And now I'm going to give you a little map here. If you're under the domain of bacteria or archaea, then you are a prokaryote. But if you are a protist or fungi or an animal cell or a plant cell, you will be a eukaryote. So you should keep these divisions in mind for prokaryote versus eukaryote. So here are the basic components of the prokaryotic cell. In red, we have the plasma membrane, which encloses the cytoplasm. In teal, we have the cell wall, which is a rigid structure. And in gold, we have the capsule. And the capsule is a jelly-like substance that coats many prokaryotes. And there are these finger-like projections from the capsule called fimbriae. In brown, what do you think these components are? Yep, ribosomes. They're involved in protein synthesis. In purple here, we have the nucleoid, which is the genetic material of the prokaryote. And lastly, in orange, we have the flagella, which is made from flagellin and is involved in cell motility. So those are the basic components of the prokaryote. Let me clear the ink and ask you your three questions. One thing I'll point out is that a core concept for prokaryotic cells is that they do not have true membrane-bound organelles. So for example, the nucleoid is not a true membrane-bound nucleus. It's just where the prokaryotic cell stores its genetic material. Okay. First question, how do prokaryotes generate energy? Glycolysis, mitochondria, ATP synthase, or ANC? And the answer is ANC. That is because prokaryotes do not have mitochondria, that is a membrane-bound organelle. They can undergo glycolysis, which is a metabolic process that occurs in the cytoplasm that produces ATP anaerobically. They do have, or can have, ATP synthase, and it'll be embedded in the infoldings of the plasma membrane, and it'll harness a hydrogen ion potential to produce ATP. Second question, what shape is prokaryotic DNA? It's linear, circular, both, or neither? And the answer is circular. Prokaryotic DNA is a circular chromosome. Are prokaryotes unicellular or multicellular? And the answer is unicellular. Eukaryotes have linear DNA molecules and can be multicellular, but prokaryotes have circular DNA chromosomes and are unicellular. So that's it. Congratulations on making it to the end. My name is Lutfi Hawk. I was your instructor today. I went to Phillips Exeter Academy, did my bachelor's at Cornell University, and currently I'm a PhD candidate at the University of Pennsylvania. I've done research internships at Stanford Medical School in California, at Mayo Clinic in Minnesota, and the National Institutes of Health near Washington, D.C. I'd love to share whatever I've learned, and if you found this helpful, come join us in our weekly live classes, where we'll cover the full chapter with additional new questions on every topic, and you'll be able to see me in person, interact with me, and ask me whatever questions you have during the lecture and during the live Q&A at the end. If you have any corrections, suggestions, or comments, please comment down below. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, CBSE IB Academy. Join the family for future updates and details, and I hope you found this helpful.